Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. All praises go to the Most High. Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another day, y'all. It is such a good and awesome day, okay? So today I'm coming to you all to show y'all how to make a spiral adjustable ring. I probably have shown y'all how to do this before. I had someone reach out to me. She asked me if I had she's a new subscriber, and she asked me, I had a ring on, a green ring, and she asked me about that ring, and it was in another video. I'm gonna put it like that. But anyway, if I was to go into my archives, y'all, it would take me forever to try to find that video that I created, how to make that ring. Now, I'm trying to figure out if I ever did one, but I'm sure I have. So we're going to make a spiral adjustable ring, okay? Now, I have two different sizes of wire, aluminum wire. You can do this ring not only in aluminum wire, you can do copper wire, sterling silver wire if you choose to, okay? So I have 12 gauge. This is a piece of 12 gauge aluminum wire, and this is about 23 inches long. And then I have this piece here. This is 9-gauge aluminum wire, and this is 21 inches long, okay? I got my wire cutters, my round nose pliers. I do have a dowel here. This dowel is about 1/2 of an inch thick. I purchased this dowel from Walmart. You get 3 in a pack. And let's go ahead and get started. So we're just making an adjustable ring. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to do using this 9-gauge aluminum wire. Okay, so she saw this ring that I had on and wanted to know if I had a video. So if you're watching, this is how I create this ring. Now, for those of you, if you have nylon pliers, you may want to use your nylon pliers to create this part of your ring, okay? Because y'all know everything I do, I always use my hands and my fingers. I do have nylon pliers, but I choose not to use them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just roll this up like this, because I'm going to make, these are going to be big rings. Now, if you don't want this ring to be a big ring, all you do is use lesser wire. That's it. You don't have to use as much wire as I am using, but I'm going to roll this down. See how that is? And the thing, and the difference between the 9-gauge wire and the 12-gauge wire is that, you see that? It just gives it more of a, it gives it strength, I'm going to say. Not saying that the 12-gauge doesn't, but this 9-gauge, y'all, is everything. So I want to roll it all the way down until I get till about, let's see, maybe, I mean, we're going to roll it down till we get about, till about 5 inches. Let's see if we got 5 inches left. Yeah, we got 5 inches left. So this is going to be the body of our ring. And you're just going to take the dowel, right? You're going to place it on the dowel. And you're going to wrap this around just like this. Okay? You're going to take this off. And then we're going to just make a little design. Okay. Now this is, like I said, this is 9 gauge. So it is a little bit more, it's way stiffer, much harder to maneuver, okay, because it's a little thicker. And then I'm just going to take this piece and come over like this. Just like that. And that's how your ring gonna look. Like I said, this is a big ring. This is how you would wear it. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is the size of the ring. It may have been a little smaller than this, but and it's adjustable, okay? And then you can wear it also like this. So you can have this part of the ring on your arm, on your this part of your hand, and then you can have, you know, this part like that. So now I'm going to make one out of the 12 gauge wire. Okay, so that's what that looks like. It's really nice, y'all. So here we go. So now I'm going to do one. Now this is, like I said, this is the 12 gauge. And I'm going to start down at the end and then just work my way up. All right, so I'm going to work my way up. Just rolling it. And rolling. And when you get to, when you start getting to the, you know, the parts where it start getting bigger, you want to take and hold this and hold that like that. Press it down as you are, because that's how everything can be precise, okay? You want everything to be precise. See how I'm doing that? Just like this. Yeah, you want it to really mold. Okay. So now I don't know if this is 5 inches, but this isn't going to be as big as the other one. So this is a 6. So what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to stop right there. And then I'm going to bring this around like this. Wrap that around. Come here. And I'm going to do just a little different design on this. I may have done something like this before, y'all. I'm not sure. Don't start me to line because I am always doing something different. Okay. Okay. All right, so that's a little different. And then I'm going to take this off and just come here and make a loop like that. And this is another awesome adjustable ring that you can wear like this. Okay. Now you decide on how thick you want it to be, because this is 12 gauge and this is 9 gauge. And this one here is really huge. And like I said, you can wear it both ways. Okay, and you don't even have to put a design here if you don't want to. If you don't want to put a design, you don't have to put a design. You can just wrap it all the way around, all the way down. And let me show y'all. I'm gonna do one more, and I want to show you that you don't have to put a design on it at all. You can just wrap it. And I'm trying to get another piece. I'm gonna use this purple piece right here. And I'm gonna, now this is 12 gauge as well. And I have a lot of wire, y'all. Sometimes when I'm doing projects, I have wire, I always have wire left over. So basically I take my wire and I put it in a vase. I put it right in a vase, and that I don't use. I never throw away my scraps. Never throw away my scraps, because art is art, and you can make and create so many different things with art. With wire. Okay, and this is all I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna take it all the way down, all right, till about here, nice and big. And all I want to do is I just want to have just enough to wrap it around here. I don't want a design on it. I just want enough to wrap it around. Just like that. That's all I want. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to come over here like that and bring that up like that. And then I'm going to take and make a loop right here. Just like that, because this is all I want. And when I put my hand through here, I can just take and pinch that just like that. And that's my ring. All right, so that's my ring. When you don't want to, and like I said, if you don't want it to be this big, you don't have to make it this big. If you don't want to, it's completely up to you and the look that you want. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to take this time to say, please make sure, for those of you who are following me, please make sure you thumbs up these videos that I bring to you all, so that these videos can go into rotation for others to see and view. And I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.